I got it. I got it all the way, all the zoom. But you know, even if I record this, it doesn't do anything. Hey, is there any way to get like a stabilization thing on this thing?
And that thing's like, looks super close though.
And it ain't a plane, dude, because I recorded a plane the other day, and the blinks, you know, the blinking lights, they're real strong when you bring it up. This one's not blinking at all. And it's not making any noise like a...
Seems like it's really low, right?
Yeah, it looks a little low, like maybe 2,000-3,000. Dude, I'm recording all of it. I'm already at a minute. And I've stabilized it pretty good. I'm gonna have a bunch of vids already. Except for that, remember I told you I saw those daylight UFOs?
Yeah, those are crazy.
And then I went inside and it was gone. And then I saw like a javelin kind of one. It went behind the tree and then it didn't come out the other side. Oh, it's going by a star. What the fuck? It's not making any noise. I'd say that thing's like 2,000, maybe 2,500 feet up. Is that half a... No, that's half a mile, right?
It's slow as fuck.
No, that's more like a mile up. So it's like 5,000 feet up. Why is it so slow?
Which was fucking slow.
But it's not making nothing of a sound. If it were a Cessna, you could hear it. And if it were a jet, obviously you could hear it. Wow, dude. I'm up to 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Are you seeing it? Look in the viewfinder.
Can you get closer than that or no?
That's all the way. 8.
Dude, your camera is like 200 times better than mine, man.
Well, you have the correct lens.
I have a fucking... No, I don't. I have $1,000 phone and it's shitty as fuck.
Because Samsung is made in Thailand. And they didn't used to be good, but obviously now they are.
I'd be playing tricks on me right now.
Why?
I swore that star was moving.
Which star?
Right here, right?
Dude, look how bright it is still on my screen.
No, dude, that fucking thing is bright, dude. Bright as fuck. I bet you anything they're gonna be out tonight, dude.
I'm gonna be out tonight then. Remember when you called me up and we went over there with Anthony and Audrey and Nathan. We went over there to McCook.
Yeah, that was like 20 of them.
Or was it? Oh no, you just stayed at my house. Remember? We saw like 80 of them between the what you saw and what we saw there. Remember we saw like 80 of them. What is that shit? I mean, why do they come out like that? This is the time of the year they come out. The hottest part of the year. Yeah,
Summer?
in summer they come out the most.
Maybe clear skies.
There's nothing that this video is gonna reveal to me other than just the white dot.
Other than the gods are evil. The gods
I should just make a shirt like that, right? Since you like that saying. The gods must be evil.
I mean, I don't know. You talk a lot about manipulation, but you might be manipulated into thinking that. I'm serious.
No.
I mean, isn't that their goal?
In a sense, yes.
Make you think they're evil?
Manipulating me so I can go to hell. But how do I know the rhetoric that I'm getting?
That's what I'm saying, it's 50-50.
How do I know the rhetoric of Christianity is correct?
Well, that's the thing, right?
You know, if I go,
So many-
you're kind of damned if you do and damned if you don't, because you don't know what side is right. If you're taking what you believe, like say your side, if I take your side, then It's 50-50. I could be damned. I could not be damned. I could be damned if I go to Christianity.
I think on yours, you're gonna be damned either way, no?
If they run this reality, there's a few options, and none of them are good for us.
Still
One, we're reinserted into the matrix. Another one is that we're integrated into the God's mind. In other words, they consume our souls, or synthesized like the Borg. You'll be synthesized into the Borg, the hive mind. We will basically